Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Research and Analysis. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to add a password to our document. If you are working on your thesis or any other sensitive assignment and you are sharing your desktop or laptop, then it could be a good idea to add a password to your Word document. So let me discuss how to do that. This is my Word file. I just need to open this file option, and in file option, you can see new, open, and gets, adds in, and so many other options. You just need to open this info. Once you will open the info, here you can see some options regarding compatibility mode, protect document, inspect document, and so on. So simply just click this protect document. And in protect the document, here you can see so many options, but you need to click this encrypt with password. So once you will click this encrypt with password, it will ask you to enter a password. So I am entering a password and then click OK. Again, I need to re-enter the password and then simply click OK. Now this document is password protected. Now let me close this. Just save the changes. Here is that document. Let me open it. It is asking me to enter that password. First, I need to enter the password and then I will be able to open this document. So this is how you can add a password to your Word documents. I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks for watching.